Hey guys, it's Brianne with Fem Fusion Fitness, and I wanted to just talk to those of you who do a lot of intervals, like high intensity intervals, where you're working really hard for a while and then you're resting, spending a little bit of time just catching your breath, getting your heart rate down, and getting ready to build up strength and endurance for the next set that you're going to do. It's absolutely true that you want to rest your body during those breaks. You want to be pushing yourself so hard during the interval that you need a break, and then you take that break in order to get ready for the next interval. So that's true. But I do think that those break times can be an opportunity for a little bit extra, at least of movement, if not strengthening, to kind of fill in the gap and make the entire workout even more efficient and more effective. So I'm going to give you a few ideas for things that you can do that aren't taxing, and they will help your body recover during the breaks, but you won't be wasting any time because you'll be getting a little more movement and a little more muscular activation, even though it's easy and simple and not taxing. So this is just a nice way to bring some extra movement to the spine and the hip joints. And it's also a nice way to activate the deep abdominals. So right here, when you exhale, you tip your pelvis so that your pubic bone goes up toward the ceiling. And then you inhale, let your belly expand. And then again, exhale, think about lifting the vaginal muscles, the pelvic floor muscles, and pulling the tummy in. So again, inhaling and expanding, and then exhaling and lifting and pulling in. Inhale, breathe in and expand. Rock the pelvis forward. Exhale, breathe out, lift the vaginal muscles and pull the belly in. A couple more times, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. What I want to do is some bust circles. So these are great. A great way to really work the thoracic spine, which is the kind of mid-spine. You want to move your spine in circles, move your bust in circles, without moving your lower body. So it's really just the top part of your body that's moving, like you're drawing a circle on the ground beneath you. So from the side, it looks like this. And it feels really good for that upper back. Let's go the other way. Now I do circles of all sorts in my videos, so you're probably familiar with this if you have watched any of my other videos. I'm going to keep going. But if you're not familiar with me and Fem Fusion, then you need to learn about circles. Hip circles, bust circles, circles in all directions. They're so good for really getting blood flow and circulation to your joints and using your muscles in a different way. So do some circles during your breaks between intervals. Another great one that you can do between any move that you do and in any position, whether you're standing up, walking around the room, or sitting on the ground, relaxing between your intervals, whatever you're doing, is some belly breathing where you really focus on, kind of like with the pelvic rocks, letting your belly expand as you inhale and then pulling in as you exhale. So again, letting your belly expand as you inhale, and then lifting the vaginal muscles and pulling your belly button inward as you exhale. So letting everything expand as you breathe in, and then exhale, lifting the pelvic floor and pulling in the belly. So it's kind of like you're breathing into your pelvic floor and breathing out, letting all the air come out of your mouth or your nose, however you're breathing. So again, breathing in, everything expands, and breathing out, everything pulls in and up. So when you do that, you are not only getting a lot of great oxygen to your body, oxygenating your tissues, but you're also getting that little bit of extra core activation as you exhale and pull your pelvic floor, lift your pelvic floor and pull your belly button in and activate those deep abdominal muscles. So that's just another great way to kind of maximize efficiency with your time. You're getting your breathing and your rest, but you're getting a little extra core activation. Again, that can be done in any position. So one more layer to build on that. If you are liking that and want to add a bit of a crunch, you can. So as you inhale, you're going to gently arch your low back, not too much. As you exhale, you're going to lift your vaginal muscles and pull your belly button in and crunch right here. This pulls in your rectus abdominis, your six-pack muscles, just a little bit more. And then you inhale and exhale, crunch. You can even just come to neutral and then exhale, crunch. Inhale to neutral, exhale, crunch. Again, inhale to neutral, exhale, crunch. Inhale to neutral, exhale, crunch. Notice that as I'm crunching and exhaling, I'm pulling that belly button to spine. All right, that's it. So again, you do want to take those rest breaks. If you're pushing yourself during your intervals to the point where you need to break, then take a break. But if you do want to maximize efficiency and just experiment with at least moving a little bit, maybe doing some great breathing techniques that activate your core a little bit more, it can be really fun and helpful, and it can help you get just the best workout of your, maybe even your life. Have fun with it. Bye guys.